Howdy, this is Lemmy with Dorman Products here to talk to you today about our 912738 door latch release cable for Ford trucks. If you've got a 97 to 04 Ford F-150 or F-250 with the new body style, you may have busted a door latching cable. Previously, that meant you'd be buying the entire latch assembly. However, our OE fix release cable allows you to buy just this broken cable you need to get your door operational again at a fraction of the price of Ford's complete assembly. Now, these cables can suffer wear internally as they bind, and they often wind up fraying like you can see over here. Once they break totally, door locking, unlocking, and latching becomes impossible. Given the age of these trucks, sinking a ton of money into a repair might not be prudent, and a salvage yard rescue part might be the exact same problem your broken cable has. Our OE fix release cable allows you to repair just your broken cable instead of the entire actuator mechanism as an assembly. You'll pull your door card, remove the old cable, install the new one, and then adjust it to remove all free play from the system. Reinstall the door panel, and you're all done. The labor's not really much different than replacing the whole assembly, but the cost of just a cable is obviously quite a bit lower than something as complex as the whole unit here. We hope you like this new solution. Remember, if you need anything at all, the Dorman technical support team is always handy to help. Thanks for checking out our video on this door latch cable. I'm Lem, and I'm out of here.